This is a common problem on Trustwallet or while swapping on Uniswap. Let's say you want to swap this particular token right here, UFO, and it applies to every other 𝗓𝗓𝗏𝗔20 token. And then when you click allow Uniswap protocol to use your UFO or to use your token, it keeps loading and keep loading, not that you have network issue or anything, and it doesn't swap. Now the problem is solved. All right, watch this video to the end to see how you can be able to swap your token without having this issue of selling your token. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. See you at the end of the video. As it is with crypto, most time you want to take profit, especially when in a period of dip like this. You just want to take profit and allow the coin to fall and then buy it again, or you want to sell your token for one or two reasons. That was my case. All right, and when I tried swapping this UFO token, and then it kept loading and loading. Now what this is supposed to do is I'm supposed to tap on this, allow the Uniswap protocol to use your UFO, and then that could be any other token, and then I'll be able to swap. I'll be allowed to swap, but it kept loading and never allowed me. I tried multiple times, it never allowed me, and then I tried with another 𝗓𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 token, it never allowed me. But when it comes to Ethereum or USDT, the swapping button is just a straightway something. So this is what I actually did to solve this particular problem, because it's a problem that everybody is experiencing on Trustwallet, and this is how to go about it yourself. It's just as simple as ABC. So all I did was, what you need to do is to go to your MetaMask, tap on your MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask, you can download MetaMask, and now copy your Trustwallet, copy your Trustwallet recovery phrase where you have the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Copy the recovery phrase and go to MetaMask. Now when you get to MetaMask, now since it's 𝗓𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏, MetaMask is officially on 𝗓𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏 network, so you don't need to do any network conversion or whatsoever. Everything is just straightway. Now what you need to do, copy the recovery phrase and import the wallet on MetaMask. Now when you import the wallet on MetaMask, now on MetaMask it gives you a lot of opportunity to do the swapping. You can carry on swapping here, and that challenge will be over. And while carrying out swapping through this interface, MetaMask tend to check the best platform to use, the best code. Okay, let me assume I want to swap to USDT, Ethereum to USDT. Let me enter the price. Okay, I don't have any Ethereum, so it won't go. So MetaMask will actually get a quote for you, okay, at the bottom of my lower right bottom. So I'll get a quote, and then I'll be able to swap successfully. So let's say you're using a MetaMask browser. You tap on the MetaMask browser right there, and then when you tap on the MetaMask browser, you search on the browser Uniswap, so it will automatically come up. Ensure that it is the real Uniswap you are using. So when you are on this Uniswap, the next thing you want to do is to connect your wallet. You can see mine is automatically connected. All right, so when you connect your wallet, so in my own case, I'll have to choose that token UFO. So sometimes this interface is to be a bit slow, so one have to be patient. Okay, I need to cancel it and then select it again. Okay, UFO gaming. I understand. Now that particular interface that kept rolling over and over on Trustwallet that makes it look like it was a faulty network will just go smoothly on MetaMask to give the approve button where I just approved that, just it, and then it will now take me to the swapping interface where I'll tap on swap and then click on the confirm button. Once I click on the confirm, then I'm able to swap. Subsequently, when you want to swap on your MetaMask, when you want to swap that particular token on Uniswap rather, on this same MetaMask, you don't have to pay that fee again. It will just be a straightforward something. Once you import the token, it will just take you to the swapping interface where you'll be able to swap. Alternatively, if you don't want to go through all this stress, now you have to identify if this particular token is on an exchange. For me, this UFO, I did the swap on I can do the swap on this Uniswap, and then I can simply do it on KuCoin. So once I observe that, okay, I have a KuCoin account and this token was on KuCoin, then I quickly switch to KuCoin, sending the token from MetaMask to KuCoin, then selling it on KuCoin exchange, and then withdrawing the money to wherever I want to send it to, or save it wherever I want to save it at. Now, what will you be spending more in this kind of transaction is the transaction fee. The swapping fee is kind of high at some point, and the transaction fee is also high at some point. Okay, I don't know, this the transaction fee being high is actually related to some persons. Like for me, I could say $8 is high for a $20 transaction, or $30 transaction. $8 is pretty high as a transaction fee. So that was how I was able to do my swap successfully without having any further issues. So if you have further challenges in trying to swap your token on Uniswap and you're having issue, please comment in the comment section, or you can send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram details is actually in the description box, or you can send me an email. I could give you further guide if you need more further guide. Else, I'll be uploading more and more videos on how to do this swap successfully on this my channel. So be sure that you are subscribed to this channel, like and share this video to friends and well wishers. So see you in my next video.
So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.
All right.